Okay, good morning and welcome back to your summer course. Congratulations on making it to your third semester. I also want to say Happy Florence Nightingale Day to you. Today's Florence Nightingale's birthday, May the 13th. So the purpose of this little video, this is new for me, is to attempt to give you some context for the course so that when we come together Friday afternoon at 1 o'clock, you already start the course at a whole different level. So what I'm going to do is just go through the way the course is organized, some of the key components, and then I'm going to ask for you to make sure that before our class at 1 o'clock on Friday that you have printed the video and you have printed the materials. There are 2 pages that constitute Module 1. So first of all, let me tell you that this course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is normal birth and the 4th stage, and you will come to learn that the 4th stage is the early postpartum stage. Module 2 picks up from early postpartum and goes through all the way through postpartum and the first month that the family adapts to the new baby. And in Module 2 we will be doing the prenatal care piece. Module 3 will be contemporary issues of women's health. We're going to cover breast health, birth control, STDs, and menopause. Each of these modules is contained. You will get a work plan for each module. This is new. You'll have the readings, the videos, everything that you need to do to complete that module. And at the end of each module, you will take a module exam. So let me talk a little bit about the exams in this course, and I will be sending this to you probably in 2 to 3 little videos. We don't exactly know how much time it's going to take for me to get this information to you. But let me talk a little bit about the exams. The exams are done at the end of each module. The first exam, because it's brand new information, will be 100% on that module. In Module 1, you will notice when you look over the activities and the knowledge that you'll be gaining in Module 1, it is the largest module. And you will be taking that exam the 24th, I believe it's the 24th. Let me look at the calendar just to make sure so I don't give you the wrong date. You'll be taking that exam on June 24th. You will have 90 minutes to take it. It will be a 100-point exam. It will be a combination of multiple choice, identification, what we call, I just blanked on what we call it, where you actually, there's more, well, I'll go back to this later when I talk to you in class, but it's a multiple format exam. There will be no essays in it, but you will have some questions, about 5 questions, in which there will be multiple answers, and you will have to discriminate which of those answers is the best application of nursing knowledge. Okay? So each of those module exams counts for 20% of your grade. That is the bulk of how you will be evaluated. In addition, you will note that with your book there are some chapter exams, and they're actually little chapter quizzes. This year, unlike last year, we will not be grading those, but I strongly encourage you to do those at the end of your reading. It will be a great opportunity for you to anchor the information. You will have on Blackboard some Blackboard quizzes, and those quizzes will be graded. Immediately after you finish the quiz, the grade will go to the Blackboard grade book, and that will constitute all the quizzes in this course will come together to constitute 20% of your grade. So you'll have 3 module exams that will be 60%. You will have quizzes on Blackboard. In addition, there will be some pop quizzes during the course of class time. Some of those quizzes will be at the beginning of class time, some will be at the middle, and some will be at the end. And the purpose of those pop quizzes is to make sure that the information is being anchored And then you're going to have the one writing exercise that I'm going to do an actual little video for you separately. So I'm not going to go into the writing exercise with push right now. The other thing is that you will be doing 3 Evolve case studies, and you'll be doing 1 case study per module. And the case studies constitute 15% of your exam. And then at the end you will be taking the HESI exam, and the HESI accounts for 5% of your exam. And that altogether makes up 100%. Now I want to go back a little bit to the module exams, in particular to Module 2 and 3. Each of the exams that I give you, and I've done this for the whole 5 years that I've taught, or 4 years, you're the 5th class, each of the exams are comprehensive. So on Exam 2, I will go back and pull content. 25% of the content on Exam 2 will come from Module 1, and 75% will come from Module 2. On Exam 3, which is an in-class exam also, you will have 25% of the content will come from Module 1 and Module 2, and 75% of the content will come from Module 3. So by the time you take Module 3, you will have taken the equivalent of a comprehensive final. There is no midterm in this course, and there is no final exam. That Module 3 serves as your final exam. Module 3 exam will be given to you on the morning of August the 5th. We will actually vote in class if you want to take the HESI exam first, or if you want to take the comprehensive final. But both of those will be given in the same day. Okay, I want to go back to the Module 1 worksheet. If you go to, and you can't see this very well, but if you go to Blackboard and you click under the work plan, you will notice that Blackboard has been streamlined. If it will come up. I want it to come up. Maybe I need to go to the control panel. Okay, so we're going to go to the work plan. Each of the modules is organized by color. Module 2 has not been put up yet because I haven't completed it yet. I don't know why Blackboard is slow today. If you go to the work plan, you will find all the materials there in orange for Module 1. Why are we not getting this up? Let's go back. Well, never mind. Blackboard is very slow today. So I will tell you that under Module 1 is normal birth and 4th stage. In the beginning of that module, it's a little 2-page work plan. It tells you the key points of that module. And a lot of you always want to know, what will I be tested on, what will I be tested on? So if you take those 18 points that you're going to see in Module 1, that is a very good template for what you're going to be tested on, along with your readings. Then you will see the work plan outlined like this. We have the dates of the class, we have the class numbers, we have the content, and we have your to-do list. So under your to-do list for the first week is you need to read the syllabus and watch these YouTube clips that I'm going to send you, that I'm doing right now for you in the orientation. Then under the second week on 5/20, you have readings to do, you have a document on the baby-friendly hospital, and you have some YouTube clips. And then after class at 12:05, your Blackboard quiz opens, and you have 1 week to complete that quiz. That quiz needs to be completed before you come to class the next time. And I've said on here, Blackboard Quiz A, complete after class. All the quizzes you need to set through the lecture. I would strongly suggest that you not only set through the lecture, but you also do the online quizzes before you do it. And then you do the Blackboard quiz. Okay? So I'm going to wrap up for this section. I can only put 10 minutes on YouTube, and we will come back later. Thanks.